Thrilled to the bone, unpacking an English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very expressive phrase, thrilled to the bone. This idiom is not just about excitement. It's about a deep, profound feeling of joy or exhilaration. Let's unpack what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idioms, this video is for you. The phrase, thrilled to the bone, means to be extremely excited or delighted about something, to the deepest core of your being. The word, thrilled, suggests a high level of excitement, while, to the bone, emphasizes the depth and intensity of this feeling. It suggests that the excitement is so profound that it permeates every part of the person, right down to their bones. While the exact origin of thrilled to the bone is not clear, it's a vivid example of how English speakers love to use body-related expressions to describe deep emotions. The phrase likely evolved from similar expressions like chilled to the bone, which describes an intense physical sensation. By substituting chilled with thrilled, the phrase takes on an entirely different, positive connotation, illustrating the versatility and creativity of idiomatic language. Using thrilled to the bone in a sentence can add a layer of intensity to your expression. It's perfect for personal stories, creative writing, or when you want to emphasize just how excited you are. For example, I was thrilled to the bone when I found out I got the job. Seeing the northern lights for the first time left me thrilled to the bone. Remember, because it's a strong expression, it's best used in contexts where a high level of excitement or joy is appropriate. Let's look at how thrilled to the bone can be used in various contexts. Personal achievements. Graduating with honors had me thrilled to the bone. Adventures and experiences. Exploring the ancient ruins was exhilarating, leaving us thrilled to the bone. Entertainment. The finale of my favorite series had me thrilled to the bone. It was everything I hoped for and more. Thrilled to the bone is a powerful, evocative phrase that captures the essence of profound excitement and joy. As we've seen, it's versatile and can be used in various contexts to express deep, heartfelt enthusiasm. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about communication. It's about expressing the depth of our experiences and emotions. Until next time, keep learning and stay thrilled to the bone about English.